Hey, what's going on? El Presidente, UPRC Outlaws. I am here with the First Lady.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're going to do an unboxing.
Unboxing. We have become the unboxing channel. It's pretty good. What are we unboxing today?
My brand new
Brand new what?
What the hell are you doing? Why'd you put that in there backwards?
Because we got to be honest with the group. We got to be honest with our fans here.
Yes.
And the rest of the club. I am prone to make mistakes, and I am not afraid to admit when I do them. But this time it was her fault.
No, not at all.
She didn't hit record.
He didn't hit.
I didn't hit record. I didn't hit what?
You didn't hit record.
Oh, whatever that means.
Yep.
Yeah, so we just did a half unboxing video for you guys, and you didn't get to see any of it. So we're going to relive some of that action right now. I put her truck in backwards. Not going to lie, we pulled half the truck out, and it was over. So why don't you go ahead and we'll show them the box. No, we'll show them the box, I says.
Oh.
So this is a...
It's an Axial SCX24.
It's not that one, though. What kind of truck is it?
It's a 1967 Chevrolet C10.
Well done. Very nice.
Thank you.
It's kind of that one. But you'll notice there's... this is becoming our unboxing video, has been these little Axial SCX24s. 1/24th scale, mini-ish crawler.
Yeah.
Like all of them, they all come with one shock, one frame, and a couple gears. And the rest of the truck's included too. But this one, didn't want you to see it right away because, yeah, this one will be the minty aqua one.
Or light green as it states on the box.
Light green, sure.
Yeah.
All right, take it out. Let's see what it looks like.
Okay. Hold on tight.
I can't believe I did that. Camera's still rolling, so. I can't tell you the timing on the video that we're watching because there were some nasty words in the beginning. All right, so you got all that stuff.
Yep.
And then you got, last but not least, the transmitter. So we were, in the last portion of the video, we were right about here when we did this. As you can see, she just peeled the sticker off and I got all excited. Let's see, you gotta show them the truck.
Sorry. God, you got me all backwards because you forgot to hit record.
Here's the truck. And I have to admit, when I was looking at my deadbolt, this truck was pretty cool looking.
Can't see it.
I know you can't because we got to go through this stuff. So, all right. Now let's get back to business here. So obviously they all come with the charging cord and the LiPo charger. Like I stated in previous videos, LiPo batteries, do not ever try to charge them with makeshift chargers or anything like that. They can light on fire.
Fire.
That was a fire.
Doo-doo.
And then I talked about this right quick, but I'll do it again. Comes with the manual, obviously. Batteries for the transmitter. Comes with extra links.
Drive shaft.
It comes with both parts to the drive shaft. Not trying to flip y'all off at home. My deadbolt only came with the long portion of the drive shaft. So that's a little disappointing. And the exciting thing that we seen before we decided to cut the video off, or actually start the new one, I had mentioned on the box that the gray one comes with like the roll bar, RC lights, whatever they're called, all that. And I didn't think this one did, but
It's here.
bam, they're included.
They're not actual lights. They're just stickered.
still pretty cool though.
It is cool. I'm excited.
I like the roll bar. That is a cool effect. And yeah, it's a good thing we didn't roll because she said a nasty cuss word towards me because I gave her some really bad cutters to try to cut the zip tie off.
Needle nose pliers.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's safer than using a straight blade.
Can you even believe it? I live with this guy.
Jeez.
Jeez.
All right. So, forgot to mention too in the beginning, I did bring up before, this is actually the First Lady's very first brand new RC truck.
Yeah.
All the rest have been used.
And I'm okay with that.
Good shape, but she likes the hobby, but she's not into the hobby until she grabs your remote and wrecks your truck and then laughs at you and...
Give me a break. I have never broken any of my RC cars or trucks.
And here's the...
Who's done that?
This is our marital problems. This is it.
This guy.
This is it.
This guy.
I always fix it though. All right, show them how cool your truck is.
Wow. This is really cool. I like it. It's got the chrome grill and chrome front and rear bumpers. You want to show them because you got long arms?
I can.
Okay.
Yes, I will.
Thanks.
So, I pulled my deadbolt over before too. You'll see a video of that unboxing in the Jeep. I can't remember, but so this actually has the shiny chrome.
Fancy.
And a chrome bumper. And don't quote me, but I believe this is the only Axial truck that comes with these rims on it. Where they're kind of a matte chrome-ish, but yeah. So, see this one, I'll slide the deadbolt over even though this had nothing to do with the deadbolt unboxing. But, see, that's just a sticker. Nothing fancy going on, front, back, upside down, whatever. And actually, I think the Chevy's weighs a little bit less, but... So the Chevys, I'll just keep talking, okay?
Sure.
The Chevy truck and the Jeep trucks are more expensive than the deadbolt. I'm a fan of getting cheap things and making them better in all aspects of my life, I think. I buy the cheapest stuff. These are all actual licensed bodies. It actually does say Chevrolet on it. That is not our own sticker or something. The Jeep is a Jeep body. So a lot of times when you get the licensed products, they will cost a little bit more, but in all reality, this truck is exactly the same as the deadbolt, just with a different body on it.
The wheels and tires are actually licensed as well.
Those ones are?
Yeah. They're BF Goodrich tires and what did it say? Oh, Method wheels.
Method wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was another thing. That's all this crawling bit. Back the truck up so you can see it while we're chatting. The crawling bit was kind of the same with you, where you seen it and it was just too slow.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be boring.
And it's not.
No, I love it.
Now we got some basement stuff. Like I said, the weather where we're at it's starting to cool down really fast, and I'm not a big outside play in the snow and the cold kind of guy anymore. I'm old. And now, does that have the hinge system on it?
Yeah.
That's one thing I didn't know. Man, so I've lied in every single video so far. See, the back actually has the holes for the posts, the body towers to go into, and I don't know what they're for yet. So if anybody knows that, please comment in the bottom, because all the trucks have it. And I know they come out, I know there's clear bodies and stuff for these now. I know the aftermarket parts for this are pretty wild. You can get brass everything for these trucks already. Okay, and the posts are the same in the front as the deadbolt. I say the Jeep's only had the one pin, the center of the hood. This one and the deadbolt have two. And hers are, I don't know if you can see that. Obviously you can't because it runs right in line. But the posts right here, they run straight up and down, but they still have the weird angle where the deadbolt, they kick off to the side. Yeah, battery already in there, strapped in, ready to go, and that's about it. Anything else you want to say before you give it a try?
I don't think so.
Okay, yeah, I don't think there was anything else. So, all right, after these messages, we'll be right back. Here's the first lady giving its first run. Just dragging that on the axle. So these are all-time four-wheel drive crawling trucks. So just take them, build up little obstacles. See, we're just using used wood. Do whatever you want. Move that stuff out of the way. We're gonna Legend RC podcast. Jeff, who works at Gromax, said they're having these things go pretty ridiculous.
Got a little bit of rub going on.
Back it all the way up, square it up. Yeah, so the truck has a little bit of body rub on the wheels here, but bring it down a little bit. There it goes, like nothing. It's pretty good incline. Sorry about the pro camera skills, folks. Okay, that was too easy. All right, ease up. Jeez Louise. We'll go up just over the tube refer. Oh yeah, there we go. Piece of cake. Yeah, these are pretty awesome trucks. The deadbolt, I did notice all the sidewall stuff. It did have a problem there.
Do I have to do anything?
What are you doing? Oh, she's gonna make it faster. See? It's too slow for her. Alright, let's try it. Wow, I don't think the deadbolt will make that. Alright, come back with it. So we might have to jack the body up just a touch.
Yeah, I'm thinking so. There's...
That's a pretty good angle. Awesome. That looks cool coming at me. All right.
Yeah.
So what do you think of that?
I like it. It's fun.
Is it your favorite? You love it?
I don't know.
Are you used to it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, got to see a little run. We actually had to turn the steering rate down just a touch. Well, actually we did quite a bit. Yeah, I know I say a lot, like mine in this podcast. Now that it's turned down, what do you think?
I like it better.
Like it better turned down?
Yeah, much better.
Okay. So, now in the UPRC Outlaws, we have gone through the three major mini crawling trucks, the 24th scale Axials. This is the first lady's unboxing video, so I didn't want to get too far in depth with anything else, but I talked to you about doing maybe a quick pros and cons of the three that we've tried so far.
Okay.
The quick version would be the Jeep has most of its weight, it seems like, on the back. The deadbolt has most of its weight up front. This one is pretty well centered. This one already seems like this could be the truck to beat for our winter fun. But right away out of the box, it had the steering was up so far that if you can see, look below the lights, you see those wires? Can you turn the wheel anyway? It was turning so far that any kind of a load on was actually binding up in the lights. So there, if we would have left it alone, there's a good chance the lights would have got ripped right off. This one and the Jeep, they are pretty tight, so you are going to get some body rub on these, and that's what I was talking about in my unboxing with the deadbolt. Has the there's space in the back of it, and works out pretty good. So hey, I did it to myself in my video. So, but overall, these are going to be a blast. This is going to be fun. I like it. So, yep, she didn't want any new trucks, but there was, actually you were pretty mad at me when I showed you this truck, weren't
yeah,
you?
I was not.
She's
Not impressed.
She swore at me as soon as she got this truck, but there's a little side story behind it that
Secrets.
it all worked out, and then you were happy, right?
I'm always happy.
Yeah, she just said she was mad. So, if you get a chance, if you're in the Iron Mountain area, go to Grow Max, pick up one of these. Like just over $100, and they're awesome. This is good fun. These are hobby grade small trucks too. These are not your box store bought trucks. Quality. All right. Anything else you want to tell your fans? Since I talked through your whole entire video.
No.
Okay. P.S. I'm wearing a brand new hat.
It's a very nice hat.
This is a sweet hat.
Where'd you get it?
I went to Las Vegas and came back in one day right after work today.
Oh, yeah?
I actually don't know where I got this hat,
Secret admirer.
but I have a funny suspicion it might be a UPRC Outlaw member.
Oh, yeah?
I just have a feeling. I don't know. Hot off the shelf. Las Vegas Raiders. I don't like football anymore that much. I was a Vikings fan, and when I found out the Raiders were going to Las Vegas, I love Las Vegas. Vegas!
Vegas!
So, got me a hat, and it's pretty awesome, so thank you for whoever did that. And we're going to play on through the night. If we just keep the camera rolling, though, it'll just be her going back and forth with her trucks like she normally does. Okay?
Yeah.
Say goodbye to your fans.
Bye. Peace.
Yeah.
Grow your hobbies with GrowMax.